The importance of having an emergency plan is so that you have your plan ready before a disaster happens. Before a disaster happens, you want to make sure you know where your backup location to go is, your secondary backup location, and also your communication plan. You might not always have cell phone coverage, so it's very important to have an out-of-area contact that you can communicate with during a disaster. To develop an emergency plan, you can use a very easy tool. It's free online through Ready Nova. They provide a template. You can choose a template for personal, business, or houses of worship. And this is very easy. You can go in, use the template, and you can print it out, and it's very easy to share with family and friends. In addition to having a plan, you also want to make sure you have your emergency preparedness kit ready to go. During a disaster, you don't want to be running around your house trying to get all of your important information together. You want to make sure you have that all ready in a bag to grab and go. You can always follow us on Facebook and Twitter at Ready Fairfax. This is the way that we're going to communicate with you, give you tips to make your kits, make your plans, and keep you updated and informed before, during, and after an emergency. Once your plan is in place, it's very important to practice your emergency communications plan. You can go to your alternative locations and also practice calling your out-of-area contact to make sure that they are where you're going to call them in an emergency. Use the plan that you've built using Ready Nova and practice it every 6 months.